back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Nike that was collaborated with the STUSSY. This one's the white t-shirt, extra small. Retails $45, and then tax is $3.94. So the total damage is $48.94, but it comes with free shipping. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what's it look like. This is the crew tee, so let's go ahead and show you guys the white color. So there's no invoice in here, so I got the size extra small, because normally the size small is a very popular size, but I don't know if maybe for STUSSY could be extra large or 2XL, that's most popular. But anyway, this one's retail $45. Here's the barcode. Yeah, so the white ones are afraid to get dirty and stuff like that, so I'm just going to not liberate the bag or anything. So just to take this out through the hole. And you got all this warning in all different kind of languages. So yeah, it is pretty nice. This is the original Nike tag right there. This part feels like a rubberized material. And then you have this Nike with the black swoosh that is kind of raised up. And this one is loose fit too. Again, this is feel more like a rubberized material. And this side got the loose fit, coupe, large. And again, got the same sticker as the one that's in the plastic bag. Let's go ahead and check out the tag. And this is made in Vietnam. And this is embroidery. So there's no care instruction or anything like that on the back of the tag. So give you guys a closer look on this one. Got the nice bright orange color right here. And this is like a feel rubberized material too. It's a pretty thick print on there. And you got the International Beach Crew. and then STUSSY on there. You got this sticker, says extra small. Yeah, I think they tend to run size bigger or something, because this one shows it says extra small, but you know, when I look at it, it feels more like a size small compared to like a Supreme or Pelvis. Oh my God. So here's a watch tag right here. Yeah, so last time I didn't do the size measurement for the black one, medium. So this time I'm gonna give you guys a size measurement real quick. We are going to measure from the pit to pit, or the armpit to armpit. Okay, pit to pit is 19 and a half, or 19.5. And I'm going to measure the ham first. I'm going to measure from ham to ham. Somehow ham to ham is about 19 inch. Maybe it is shrink, or this is stretchable, so. And then I'm going to measure from the top of the shoulder to shoulder. Yeah, shoulder to shoulder is 19.5 again. And I'm going to measure this opening of the neckline. Opening is about 5¼ inch, okay? Although this is stretchable, so. Then I'm going to measure the opening of this arm on the sleeve right there. From the top of the shoulder to the bottom of the armpit. So say about a little bit more than 10 inch. Then I'm going to measure the top of the shoulder to the cuff. Yeah, it's about 8.5 inch. And let's measure the bottom. The bottom is about 6 inch. Let's measure the opening right here for the cuff. It's about 7.5 inch. Now we're gonna measure from the top of the shoulder all the way down to the ham. Okay, from the very top of the shoulder or the highest point to the bottom of the ham, it is 28.5. Okay. Well, anyway, that's all the measurement that I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in our comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.